Hey there, future network rockstars. Are you tired of staring at your resume wishing for that IT was title? Do you dream of navigating the intricate pathways of the digital world with confidence and skill? Then look no further than the Cisco 200-301 CCNA certification, your gateway to a booming career in IT networking. Today, we'll crack open the secrets of this industry-renowned exam and show you how Dumpsmate equips you to ace it like a pro. So grab your virtual earbuds and get ready to level up your network game. The CCNA isn't just for one crowd, it's a career catalyst for network newbies. No prior experience? No problem. This cert lays a rock-solid foundation in networking basics like the OSI, model, IP addressing, and essential devices. IT professionals already in the game? The CCNA sharpens your existing skills, validates your expertise, and opens doors to exciting career advancement. Career changers looking for a fresh start? The CCNA paves the way for a smooth transition into the in-demand world of IT networking. No matter your background,
the 200-301 CCNA tests your mastery across 6 key domains. But we're not just throwing acronyms around. Let's break it down. Network fundamentals. Imagine this as your network anatomy lesson. Learn the building blocks like OSI model layers, IP addressing, and the different types of network devices that make the digital world tick. Network access. Dive into the world of LANs, oh my. Understand how users connect to your network and how you can manage their access with confidence. IP connectivity. This is where the magic happens. Master routing protocols, IP subnetting, and troubleshooting techniques to ensure smooth data flow across your network. IP services, DHCP, DNS, NTP. These aren't just catchy names. They're essential services you'll learn to configure and manage, keeping your network humming like a well-oiled machine. Security fundamentals. Because in today's digital landscape, security is king. Learn best practices for protecting your network from cyber threats and keeping data safe. Automation and programmability. Get a taste of the future with an introduction to network automation tools and scripting, opening doors to even more advanced network management skills. Dumpsmate, your CCNA powerhouse. Forget the stress of endless textbook reading and confusing online forums. Dumpsmate is your one-stop shop for CCNA domination. We offer a treasure chest of resources to fuel your learning. Comprehensive question sets. Dive into hundreds of exam-like questions covering every domain, each with detailed explanations to solidify your understanding and identify your weak spots. Multiple study formats. Learn your way. Choose from our convenient PDF guide for on-the-go studying. Test your knowledge with the interactive testing engine, or absorb video tutorials for in-depth learning. 100% real and up-to-date content. Rest assured, our materials are meticulously curated to reflect the latest exam blueprint and industry trends, so you're always studying with the most relevant information. Seamless shopping, instant access. No need to jump through hoops. Add your desired study resources to your cart, check out securely, and boom, you've got instant access to start your exam prep journey. 100% real and up-to-date content. Rest assured, our materials are meticulously curated to reflect the latest exam blueprint and industry trends, so you're always studying with the most relevant information. Seamless shopping, instant access. No need to jump through hoops. Add your desired study resources to your cart, check out securely, and boom, you've got instant access to start your exam prep journey. Don't let the CCNA stand between you and your dream network career. Visit Dumpsmate today and unlock your full potential with our powerful study resources. Remember, success is just a click away. Head over to www.dumpsmate.com and let's build your network of success together.